Hey friends, it's me, Claire, and I'm going to demonstrate how to stretch printed canvas. I'm going to give a quick overview of how to assemble stretcher bars, but then I'll lead you through all the steps in real time to show you how to stretch the print so it's ready to display. In my example, I am using a photograph that was printed on canvas by Aaron C. Packard at Photolab number 7. This video is part of the curriculum at the Unaccredited College of Klaire. I named my school UCK because, you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to learn about art. Please visit patreon.com/Klaire Lockheart to see additional resources I made for you. That's patreon.com/KLAIRE LOCKHEART.